Hi everyone, Ronan Fox here. So there has been a few requests on setting up two-way traffic in Assetto Corsa for the simulator. So as you can see here, I've got two icons on my desktop. One is the Highlands Traffic 1.2, which is the two-way traffic modification that we need to add into Assetto Corsa to actually get the two-way traffic to work. So if you haven't modded anything before, it's actually quite easy and I'll show you how. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller. And to mod Assetto Corsa, to bring any new cars in or any different tracks that you'd like, for example, the Wicklow Mountains mod is installed the exact same way. Is you grab the mod, and I'm going to have this file ready to download for you, and you just drop it in Content Manager. I'm going to make that big. In the top right hand corner, you'll see that this usually has an arrow pointing down if it's installing. And if we click that, we'll see Highland Traffic 1.2 zip. And right here, we can click install. That will install our two-way traffic mod on Highlands in Assetto Corsa. If we go to change track, you can see here that there's a couple more maps added. So the first one is just the original Highlands. This is the drift, and then we have left lane traffic, right lane traffic, and then these are also default tracks as well. So we're going to obviously use the left lane traffic, and we're going to click OK. We're going to select the car. I'm using the Toyota AE86. The reason why is because it's right-hand drive and it has a gear shifter, so you can use it both automatically or with the manual gears. And then over here then, I'm going to show you exactly what comes up or how we actually add our traffic. So over here is basically the area where we're going to click the plus symbol, and then any car that we add here will be a traffic car in the map when we load it up. So I have again a traffic mod, so there's lots of different cars here that I have, but you can literally pick any cars as we have. And the Abarth 595, also a good car to use if you're starting off, and Fiat 500. And the more I add, you can see here that there's a number that comes up beside the car, so that's how many variants of that car is going to be on the track. We're going to close that off. We're going to set our opponent's strength right down to the very left hand side. If you have this the whole way up, it means the cars are going to be really quick, really aggressive, and they're just going to be all over the road. And then obviously opponent aggression, we're going to have that turned the whole way to the left as well. As you can see here, we have 14 opponents, so 14 cars that will be on the track, not including my own. We can bring this up, we can bring it down. I would recommend starting with a low number to start with. And another really important setting is along here are your game modes. It is really important that you pick track day. If you pick any other mode here, the traffic is not going to be two-way and it's not going to work as intended. So we're just going to make sure we are on the right lane, and then we've selected 10 opponents. We have our AI traffic cars here, and then we're going to click go. And that's going to load up our track. So you will see in the bottom left hand corner, it says Highlands plus right hand traffic. That's loading at the moment. It's also going to load all of our cars, and you can make sure that you're picking the right map here, Highlands plus right lane traffic. So we know that we're after picking all our right settings and that it's going to load up properly. And if we click the steering wheel here, you can see that the traffic is on the road now, and it's going the opposite way, and we are going to have cars that are going to be going the opposite way as well. I think I can hear one beside me here. I'm just going to wait until it passes, and there we go. So if there's any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help out if you are struggling to get the mod installed or any of the settings set on the game. Thanks for watching.